Mother's Day is Sunday, and one great gift we all want is the gift of time. Simple meals for mom this weekend, so she doesn't have to lift a finger, and you barely will either. Family Foodie Isabel Laessig is back to show us some of her easy ideas. So is this what you're going to be doing at your house on Sunday?
I think so. I think so. But you know what? Here's the thing. The best thing we could give moms, our moms, I should say, is the gift of time, right?
Please.
So don't stress over the recipe or what you're going to serve. Just really think about, do something simple so that you just spend time with mom.
And I said, are you doing this? But
hopefully
someone's
doing it
but
for me.
you. And
yes,
that's why
my kids and my husband.
Needs to be easy.
Yes, absolutely. So fun thing, I went out and I was going to make a grilled peach salad.
Yeah, we teased it.
There's no peaches to be found in Florida right now. But here's the thing, it's so easy. You just substitute pineapple and it's so delicious. Have you ever grilled pineapple or peaches?
I have not, but can I?
So yes, try some. So good. So it becomes like a little bit caramelized and really brings out the flavor. And all you do, brush it with olive oil, salt and pepper, and throw it on a hot grill, literally like 5 seconds on each side. Isn't that delicious, right?
Really good.
Yeah,
All right, so this is a shrimp pineapple fruity salad.
Yes, it is.
Why don't we start with the shrimp?
Okay, so we're gonna start with the shrimp, and this will show you how easy it is. So purchase the already cooked shrimp.
Okay.
And you're going to have about a 1/4 cup of butter in there. And let me just turn this up.
That's a lot of butter.
Yeah.
It is a holiday.
So you're just going to throw them in there. Throw in a little bit of garlic. Just,
Now, what's the difference between that and like the minced garlic you can buy in the jar? Do you prefer the paste?
I prefer the paste. Again, this is all about being easy. Yes, you could do your own fresh garlic, which is going to be wonderful. You could do uncooked shrimp, but you know what? This is all about keeping it simple and enjoying mom.
Exactly.
So, okay, so then you're just going to saute this. And then about a 1/4 cup of brandy.
Oh.
And then you're just going to let it simmer.
I see that coming.
All the way down. And this
Is that
will
what they call reduce?
Yes, so we're going to go ahead and reduce it down. You will get the most delicious sauce, and then you could just put the shrimp right over the salad.
It just kind of soaks up in the shrimp?
It's so good, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right, now think about that. Literally, you could have that done in less than 5 minutes because the shrimp's cooked, you're using, garlic paste, and now you're just going to let it simmer down.
Taste for the shrimp.
Yeah, really, really good.
So any sort of mixed greens for your base?
I like arugula, or like arugula and a spring mix is really good.
Okay.
And then, you know what? Have fun. Again, so let's start with some of the fruit. Make it like really fruit and delicious. I want you to get in there. You know that. Okay, so there's our grilled pineapple that we just took off the grill.
I think my hands are clean.
Yes, you're fine. And then I like adding like a little bit of snap peas, and some blueberries or blackberries are delicious.
How did you cook the snap peas?
They're not cooked. They're just raw. Yep.
Okay.
Just raw snap peas. And then, blueberries, strawberries. We did blackberries. Any of those work?
Just raw?
Yep.
Raw for the blackberries?
Yep. Just raw. Some almond.
All right. Slivered almonds. Again, you can just buy these.
Yeah.
Isn't that nice?
Right. So simple. And a little bit of shaved Parmesan.
Ooh.
And now the best part is the dressing. So this is a homemade dressing, but literally, 2 seconds. So olive oil, a little bit of just orange put in there.
Just an orange little squeeze?
Yep.
Olive oil and orange, that's it?
That's it. Salt, pepper, throw it over there. Perfection.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, and then you put the shrimp over it if you'd like, or you could serve it just like this. Isn't that delicious? Right? So good. Think about how long that took us.
Not long at all. You don't really have to cook much at all. Okay, beautiful salad. Excuse me for talking with my mouth. Now we move on to drinks.
Sangria is the perfect Mother's Day drink,
please.
right? So we have, what we do the night before is you're going to use another 1/4 cup of brandy. That's a Portuguese secret. So the best sangrias have brandy and sugar.
That's what you do?
Yes.
Okay.
Doesn't that smell that? Doesn't that smell so
gosh.
good? Right? Like so good.
I could just eat that by itself.
Right? So you're going to put that and then a teaspoon of sugar, and you're going to put it in the fridge with whatever fruit you like. Again, we did blackberries, blueberries, apples, oranges.
Just cut them up little pieces if you need to.
Then you're going to take just 1 bottle of Moscato wine, put it in a pitcher like we did, and just go ahead and put that in and it'll all float to the top. So it makes the most delicious sangria because the fruit like absorbs all that brandy and sugar, and isn't that good?
This is good. And you know what? And this meal doesn't make you feel too guilty about, the cake or the pie that you'll be
That's
eating
right.
later,
That's right.
Oh, Isabel, that's so delicious. We have a few seconds. You want to tell everybody about the Sunday Supper movement?
Absolutely. So I'm the founder of the Sunday Supper movement, which started in 2011, and it's all about bringing families back to the table. And as much as it is about the food, it's about the conversation and how you feel when you're around the table. So it has grown in leaps and bounds. And I'm just so honored to be here with you tonight.
We love having
Kendall.
you here. You
Thank
always have great ideas. And we hope you don't have to lift a finger and cook for anybody this Mother's Day.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Isabel, for both of these recipes and many others of Isabel's. Just go to what she said, SundaySupperMovement.com. Lots of great help there.